Okay, sa video na to pag-uusapan natin ang Cisco DNA. Tara, silipin natin. Ano ba ang ibig sabihin ng Cisco DNA? Ito yan. Ang ibig sabihin niya is stands for Digital Network Architecture, Intent-Based Network for Enterprise Networks. Ang ibig sabihin ng ng intent-based, ulit natin ha. Ayan. Ang ibig sabihin nito ay software based. Actually, technically, kung pag-uusapan natin yan, that is a piece of networking software that helps continuously aligns to the business intent. Let us put it this way. Ikaw ay in-interview, nag-apply ng trabaho. Tinanong ka ng boss mo. Hindi mo pa boss. Okay? Boss to be. Ano yung mako-contribute mo sa company? So, yun yung mga bagay na yan. As an IT person, so isipin mo na yung mga technologies na yan, it should be aligned doon sa kanyang business. Vice versa rin. Yung business ay aligned sa IT at yung IT ay aligned din doon sa business. That is an intent base. Alright? Then, let's move to the what is Cisco DNA Center. Ang ibig sabihin ng Cisco DNA Center is the central dashboard to the management and automation and assurance of your Cisco DNA network. So, ito yung centralized. Ito yung center. Lahat ng mga network mo dyan, wireless man, or switching, routing, doon pupunta sa kanya sa particular na device na yon. At doon, meron siyang tinatawag na dashboard. Ito, mamaya I will bring up this to you. At imo-monitor niya yan doon sa kanyang dashboard. Yung tinatawag nating management, automation, and assurance, and etc. Ito na, susunod na. So ngayon, dito sa baba, meron tayong design, assurance, provision, policy, and of course, the platform. So, pag-usapan muna natin yung design. Ano ba yung ibig sabihin ng design? Yung design, you can plan and design your network kung saan mang parte yan ng mundo. Saan mang part, okay, of the world. Kung saan man yung network mo, kung ako nasa Oman, kung yung ba ay nasa, let's say, meron kaming transaction in Dubai, meron kaming transaction in, medyo pinapalawak ko lang ng konti sa'yo. So, you have an idea how to design your network and plan ahead using graphical interface. Yun yung design. So, wala kang kahirap-hirap. You don't have to think about programming skills. Kasi parang ano lang to eh. Alam mo yung what you see, what you get. So doon mo siya ipo-program. Kasi meron siyang graphical user interface sa madalit salita. So madali lang yung iyong pag-manage and design of ng isang particular network. So next is assurance. Ano yung ibig sabihin ng assurance? Itong assurance ay minomonitor mo yung isang network o yung network mo, monitor, ibig sabihin na you are monitoring the health of your network, yung kalusugan ng iyong network, and of course, kung mayroon bang mga problema at dapat solusyonan, that is a part of troubleshooting, falls underneath of assurance, this category. Then, next is provision. May ikukwento lang ako siyang konting storya lang, no? Kasi ako yung nagtrabaho sa Oman. Marami rin akong nakilalang mabuti at hindi mabuting tao, no? Pero just to bring up this topic sa sitwasyon natin in real world, gusto kong maintindihan mo, ang provision na sinasabi rito is, at tulad nga na nakapagtrabaho ko doon sa isang college, no? Hindi ko nababanggitin siya kung ano man yun. May mga estudyante kami, nakikita namin, they are just going from one place to another. Tapos, itong si IT, kukonfigure niya uli. And then, pag si estudyante pumunta or si staff, pumunta na naman doon, si teacher, si lecturer, si professor, whatsoever, pagdating nila doon sa isang location na yun, let's say English department, science department, engineering department, nire-reconfigure lagi ng technician. So, this is burden, this is problem. It is not you are writing on your report and you are doing this every time now and then, which is your network is really progressive or nasusolusyonan mo yung problema. Maaari, pero meron na tayong solution. Ito yung tinatawag nating provision. Ditong provision na ito, basta i-register lang ni IT dito sa ating DNA network or sa ating center, DNA center, yung profile nung estudyante na yon or let's say a group, automatic yon. Hop by hop, kung saan man siya pumunta from one place to another, mag-i-install, kumbaga, parang plug and play na yung USB mo, kahit saan ka pumunta na computer, kahit anong klaseng type na computer na, pag sinalpak mo, gagana, di ba? So, yun ang provision. It will download everything and it works just fine without the help of any technicians. Zero touch. Next, policy. Ito, policy. Okay? As its name implies, policy. Ibig sabihin, you can apply, allow, and deny that particular policy. For example, to a group, you can give a policy, and then you can deny or allow. Nasa sa yan, it depends on you based on your network requirements. Next is platform. Ang platform ay dito yan nakatira yung ating API where the API lives on. API is application programming interface. Tagal nag-isip. So, kung meron tayong i-automate something like for example, na pag-usapan natin, kasi malaki yung school and then, campus type, may mga branches siya. So, ngayon, kailangan nating gamitin yung tinatawag na graphical user interface or GUI. Sa pamamagitan yan, hindi natin kailangan mag-program because we are using a graphical user interface. Programming using a graphical interface. So, ito yung ating platform na tinatawag. We can do there the API, it is a application, no? We can do the provision and the policy base or policy, something like that, etc. So, dito sa ating platform, just put it into your brain that API lives on this platform category. Okay? So, what else? I think na-cover ko na ito eh. So, punta na ako dito ngayon sa ating simple explanation how Cisco DNA Center works. So, I will just transfer here. So, iba naman ang ating position. So, nabanggit ko sa iyo yung intent base. At itong ating wireless network ay tinatawag na programmable network, meaning yung ibig sabihin ng programmable network is handled by software. It is a software driven. Meron ako ditong, burahin ko lang ito. Saan yung aking eraser? Explain ko ng konti lang. Hindi man tayo ganun ka-expert. Okay? So, I have a wireless network. Itong kulay blue na to, pumapaload yung mga ating mga devices. So, wireless networks. Then, meron ako ditong appliance, yung actual hardware, yung Cisco DNA Center. At meron akong monitor dito. Sabi ko nga sa inyo kanina, no? Yung meaning kanina, dashboard. So, ano ba yung sinabi ko kanina? Is the central dashboard to the management, also automation and assurance. So ito yung ating spelling ng dashboard. Ito yung dashboard natin. So, ang ibig sabihin ko dito, I have a wireless network. Etong si wireless network, kapag nag-send ito ng data, yun, sends, o nag-send ng data na lang, yan. From here to the Cisco DNA Center, so lahat ng features and capabilities i-activate dito sa ating Cisco DNA Center on your network devices using DNA software. So, yung DNA software, hindi mo may makikita rito kasi if I'm gonna give you an example, one Cisco DNA Center software or DNA software na ginagamit. Let's say, itong ating wireless network, gumagamit siya ng for example, one of the solutions, pag pumunta ka sa Cisco website, is wireless and mobility. So, for example, no? Then, lahat na yun ng mga features and capabilities i-activate dito. And, mag-view natin dito and mamamanage natin sa dashboard dito sa ating DNA Center dashboard. Ito yung dashboard natin, DNA Center. Actually, sinulat ko na rin. Okay? So, makikita natin lahat yan. Kaya tinawag natin siyang DNA network. Ito, kasi it is a software-driven. Naintindihan mo? Okay, dyan na nagtatapos ang ating simple na explanation dito sa ating Cisco DNA architecture or digital network architecture. Susunod na yung ating mga endpoints. Yan naman ang isusunod natin. Susunod na yan.